In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of fine sea salt. Then whisk to combine. In another mixing bowl, add half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, and 12 tablespoons of unsalted room temperature butter. Using an electric mixer, cream the butter and sugar for about 3 minutes, or until light and fluffy. Yo, get the full written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Add 1 room temperature egg and beat until well combined. We need the zest of 1 orange. Add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and the orange zest. Continue mixing until well incorporated. Now, combine the flour mixture and the butter mixture. Using the electric mixer, mix just until combined. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. And once the dough comes together, stop mixing. Add 3/4 of a cup of white chocolate chips. We are using 2 cups of fresh cranberries. You may cut all your cranberries in half if you want to, but you don't really have to. Ensure that your cranberries have been rinsed and cleaned under cold water, then add to the mixture. Using a spatula, fold the cranberries and chocolate just until combined. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Then, using an ice cream scoop, scoop the batter onto the tray. Place the cookie dough 2 inches apart. Now, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 17 to 20 minutes, or until the cookies are golden brown at the edges. And if everything goes according to plan, your Christmas cookies will look like this. Let them cool off for 5 minutes on the baking tray. Then transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool off completely. And there you have it, white chocolate cranberry cookies. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching! Happy holidays! Bye!
Yeah.